Have you ever run into a problem that you forgot to turn off the air conditioner in your office after you leave? When you come back the following day, the air conditioner has been running the whole night, causing a huge energy waste. In public spaces, like meeting rooms or open offices, the air conditioning is often left on the entire day, cooling an empty space when no one is using it. Install 2 pieces of AAA batteries. Copy the power off command from the air conditioner's remote control. Now the motion sensor is ready to use. Pick a location where you want to install the motion sensor. Make sure the sensor has a clear field of view of the detecting area. Stick the mount on the wall. Mount the motion sensor and adjust its position. Now, let's see how the AC motion sensor can help you save energy, like never before. The motion sensor continuously detects the motion of people in the room. If the room remains unoccupied after a time delay, the motion sensor sends 2 off signals to safely turn off the AC. You don't need to worry about the high air conditioning energy costs in public offices and high traffic spaces anymore. The motion sensor will automatically shut down the AC for you. For homeowners, this great little tool is also your best friend for living a green life. It helps reduce your energy waste and electricity bills, without you even noticing it. The motion sensor integrates a light sensor and night mode to ensure a comfortable night. In night mode, the motion sensor does not send any off signal to the AC when the ambient brightness is dark. The AC will not be accidentally turned off while you are asleep.